fish in breadcrumbs. I have some fish fillets. I have plain flour, some plain breadcrumbs, salt, white pepper, and whisked egg. Is to season the fish. So I'm going to use some white pepper. You can use black pepper or any seasoning of your choice, and some salt. So season the flour with some white pepper and salt. Mix in the seasoning into the flour. Then place the fish fillet into the flour. Let it take as much flour as possible. Then place the fish into whisked egg. Place the fish into the breadcrumbs. You can also do this with chicken. Follow the same procedure. Season your chicken and then place it into some seasoned flour and into whisked egg, and then roll into breadcrumbs. Heat up some vegetable oil in a pan or in a deep fat fryer and fry the fish for about 5 minutes or until golden brown. The fish is now ready. It's been cooking for about 3 minutes. So I'm going to remove from the oil and place onto a dish that has paper, kitchen paper, to absorb the excess oil. Serve the fish with some mixed leaf salad and some fried chips. Place some lemon wedges for garnishing. Serve your fish and chips with a range of sauces. I have spicy salsa sauce, barbecue sauce, tomato ketchup, mayonnaise, or any other sauce of your choice. Enjoy!